Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how Capital One 360 savings account works. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you understand and make the most of this savings account. First, let's start with the basics. Capital One 360 is an online bank that offers a range of financial products, including savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs. The 360 savings account is a high-yield savings account that allows you to earn interest on your deposits while maintaining easy access to your money. To open a 360 savings account, you can visit the Capital One website or mobile app and follow the online application process. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from an existing bank account or by mailing a check. One of the key benefits of the 360 savings account is that it offers a competitive interest rate, which means you can earn more money over time. The interest rate is tiered, meaning that you can earn higher rates for higher balances. For example, if you have a balance of $10,000, you may earn a higher interest rate than if you had a balance of $100. Another benefit of the 360 savings account is that it has no monthly maintenance fees, which means you can keep your account open without worrying about extra charges. You also have access to a range of online and mobile banking tools, which allow you to manage your account, transfer money, and pay bills from anywhere. In terms of security, the 360 savings account is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are insured up to $250,000. This provides an added layer of protection and peace of mind. To get the most out of your 360 savings account, it's a good idea to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will help you build your savings over time and take advantage of the interest rate. You can also use the account to save for specific goals, such as a down payment on a house or a vacation. In conclusion, the Capital One 360 savings account is a great option for anyone looking to earn interest on their savings while maintaining easy access to their money. With its competitive interest rate, no monthly maintenance fees, and range of online and mobile banking tools, it's a great way to manage your finances and achieve your savings goals.